Ever wanted to look like a legend using nothing but a single sheet of printer paper? Today, we're making the iconic deal with it Origami sunglasses. No tape, no glue, just pure paper engineering. For this, I'm using standard American letter paper. Let's get started. First move, we're going corner to corner. Take the bottom corner and line it up perfectly with the top. Pro tip, use your fingernail to sharpen that crease. The sharper the crease, the better the glasses look. Now we're going to take this entire bottom section and fold it up to meet that top edge again. We're essentially creating the frame thickness right now. Don't worry about being a perfectionist here. This model is very forgiving. Now open the whole thing up. You'll see a mix of folds. Some go down like a valley, one sticks up like a mountain. We need them all to be valleys. Just gently trace that mountain fold back the other way until the paper lays flat. This is the secret to getting that clean, wraparound look later on. Once that's flat, we're going to start the rolling process. Fold the edge up just before the center line, keeping everything aligned. Now we're going to fold it up again. Notice I'm leaving a tiny gap, maybe a millimeter, between the folds. Why? Because as paper gets thicker, it needs room to bend. If you fold it too tight, the paper will start to bunch up and look messy. Keep it clean, keep it straight, and give it one last roll until you have a solid bar of paper. Now for the lenses. Fold these top corners down to your liking, deeper for a matrix vibe, or shallow for the classic look. Finally, use your finger as a guide to bend the side arms back. Just like that, you've gone from a boring piece of mail to the ultimate flex. If yours turned out great, hit that thumbs up. If you got stuck, drop a comment and I'll help you out. Subscribe for more paper magic, and I'll see you in the next one.